Are you a fan of retro gaming? In this video, we'll explore 5 amazing websites where you can relive classic gaming moments on any PC. From timeless gameplay to nostalgic charm, these platforms offer everything you need to enjoy retro games hassle-free. Let's jump in. Number 1 is Classic Reload. Classic Reload is a website dedicated to classic DOS games and retro gaming platforms. If you have a soft spot for the early PC era, this website is a treasure trove of vintage gaming goodness. Classic Reload hosts thousands of games from the 80s and early 90s, and best of all, it's completely free to use. What makes Classic Reload stand out is its browser-based emulation, so you don't need to download any complicated software to start playing. Just select a game, and you're ready to jump back into the pixelated action. Games like Commander Keen, Doom, Prince of Persia, and Wolfenstein 3D are all available. The platform features an incredible variety of genres to suit every gaming preference. For fans of classic action games, titles like License to Kill and Worms War are available. Adventure enthusiasts can enjoy games like 50 Mission Crush and 7 Colors. If first-person shooters are your thing, check out Alien Anarchy and Break Free. Puzzle lovers will appreciate gems like A Mole in a Hole and 4Play, while RPG fans can dive into Alien Logic and Alone in the Dark. The selection doesn't stop there. Classic Reload also includes simulation, sports, strategy, educational, collections, and even non-English games. The site also supports a wide variety of gaming platforms beyond DOS, including Sega Genesis, Commodore 64, Windows 3.x, Amiga OS, Arcade, and ZX Spectrum. One of its coolest features is the ability to search and filter games by year. Just select a year, and the site will display all the games from that era. The user interface is clean and intuitive, with games categorized by genre and platform, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. No signups are required, just click and play. If you're a retro gaming enthusiast, Classic Reload is a must-visit destination to relive the golden era of gaming. Number 2, My Abandonware. If you're a fan of retro gaming, My Abandonware is your go-to platform for an incredible collection of PC and console games. With more than 2,800 games from 1965 to 2012, it's a treasure trove for those looking to relive the golden age of gaming. From rare 80s titles to unforgettable classics of the 90s and 2000s, this site brings nostalgia to life. On My Abandonware, you can freely download iconic games like Pac-Man, Tetris, Prince of Persia, Civilization, SimCity, The Incredible Machine, Lemmings, and so many more. And the best part? No registration is required, just find your game and start playing. Games are thoughtfully categorized into 9 genres, so whether you're into action, strategy, simulation, or RPGs, you can easily discover your favorites. You can also browse by platform, exploring games for DOS, Windows, Amiga, and more, or search by year to find titles released during a specific era. Whether you're hunting for hidden gems or revisiting beloved classics, My Abandonware delivers an unmatched retro gaming experience. Dive in and relive the magic of old-school gaming today. Number 3 on our list is Play Retro Games, the perfect destination for retro gaming fans. This website lets you dive into classic console games from platforms like NES, Sega Genesis, and Game Boy, no downloads needed. With a clean, easy-to-use interface, you can instantly play legendary titles like Super Mario Bros., Sonic the Hedgehog, Donkey Kong Country, The Legend of Zelda, and Mega Man. The site's emulator runs directly in your browser, ensuring a seamless gaming experience without extra software. What's even better? You can choose games to play by browsing categories like Latest, Top This Week, Most Played, and Top Rated. Whether you're reliving childhood favorites or exploring retro classics for the first time, Retro Games makes it simple and fun. Plus, it's free. Just pick a game, hit play, and let the nostalgia begin. Number 4 is Retro Games CC, a fantastic website that hosts a wide range of retro console games. If you're into old-school consoles like the NES, SNES, Game Boy, and even Sega Genesis, this site is a goldmine. The best part? You don't need to download any files, everything is playable directly in your browser. You'll find a ton of iconic games on this site, including Super Mario World, The Legend of Zelda, A Link to the Past, Sonic the Hedgehog, and Street Fighter Rummin' 2. Whether you want to play classic platformers, adventure games, or fighting games, Retro Games CC has it all. The site is well organized, with games categorized by system, making it easy to browse through and find your favorite titles. What's also great is that Retro Games CC is completely free to use, no subscriptions or signups required. Just head to the website, pick a game, and start playing. This site is ideal if you want a hassle-free retro gaming experience, and since it's browser-based, you can play on any PC without worrying about compatibility issues. Finally, number 5 is archive.org, or the Internet Archive. If you're looking for an all-in-one resource for retro games, archive.org is a must-visit. This website hosts a massive collection of retro games from consoles like the NES, Sega Genesis, and even old-school Atari games, completely for free. The best part: most games are browser-based, meaning you don't need to download or install anything, just click and play. The selection here is absolutely vast, covering a range of systems, from PC games to console titles from the 80s and 90s. It's incredibly easy to navigate. Just use the search bar to find your favorite game or browse by console. Games like Space Invaders, Pac-Man, and Donkey Kong are available to play with no downloads or emulators needed. For anyone looking for a quick blast from the past, this is the perfect spot. So, there you have it, 5 amazing websites and tools to enjoy retro games on your PC. Check them out, share your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!